It's another day, another Maker Advent, and today, something different. Holiday season arrives, something always goes wrong. Are there batteries in the remote? Are the batteries fresh? Has a fuse gone? Are the Christmas lights working? How do we solve the problems? Well, some easy ways to do it. First one, fuse. Normally, you get a multimeter. There we go, multimeter, it's in continuity. You get a fuse and do this. And you can hear it is beeping. But what happens when you're out in the field and you haven't got a multimeter? By the way, this multimeter was in the very first Maker Advent 5 years ago, 2020. Is this a good fuse? Does it work? And this was shown to me the other day by the plumber that was doing some work for me. He says, if you want to check, just do this. Hold it by one end, then touch a phone screen. If the fuse is good, you've got continuity from one side to the other. So it will transmit the conductivity of your skin to the screen and you can swipe. If it's broken, there's no conductivity, no continuity, so it won't work. How easy was that? That's cool. The fuse is broken, we can fix the fuse. That's one problem at Christmas solved. Or the holidays, I should say. Next one. Are there batteries in the remote? We've all got these remotes. They come with the cheap lights that we buy. Right, here you go. What you do is you go to your smartphone and point this directly at the camera. So you've seen the LEDs there. Watch the LED. Can you see a flickering there? That means there's batteries in it and it's working. If you can't see a flickering, that means the batteries are dead. And you've got to get something to pry that open and fix it. Problem solved. That's 2 problems in 2 minutes. Final one. You've got some Christmas lights. Yes, I know these are Halloween ones. I know. I already broke these ones at Halloween. I was going to do something with them. So for this, what you need is a battery. And what I use is a watch battery. One of those CR2032 batteries, like this. Be careful with these around kids. They're dangerous. Don't leave them unattended near kids or pets. Keep them safe. So these lights, I want to know if they work or not. Are the bulbs gone? Are they useful? What colour are they? I strip the end of the wires off. I get the battery and I put it across the contacts. And they light up. Third problem solved. I can get a piece of tape or something, or marker pen or whatever I've got, and mark them up to say which one is positive, which one's negative. So there we go. 3 minutes, 30 seconds of hacking around, checking that things work, using common equipment we've got lying around in the house. We don't need a multimeter, we don't need anything fancy, just simple tools. That's it for now. See you later.